If you want to be able to run your entire home, and I mean anything, your entire home and your garage and your welder and your well pump, this is probably the setup that you want to get. And right now the price is incredibly low. And if you're in a hurry and just trying to get that discount, feel free to use the links in the comments or the description. You'll get right over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, we're going to be taking a look at this dual inverter setup that gets you 20 kilowatt hours of power. Welcome to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. So in this kit, you got two 10 kilowatt 48 volt split phase solar inverter chargers. Now these can charge and discharge. You can get AC power out of them to power your home, as well as you can take power coming from solar panels and charge your battery back up. You can run up to 6 of these in parallel, and this kit gives you 2 that you'll be running in parallel, so you can be powering up your 48 volt battery banks. We got 10 kilowatt split phase solar inverter. Now, both of these 10 kilowatt inverters will give you that total of 20 kilowatts of output, and they both have 2 solar controllers, maxing at 11,000 watts of PV input and 500 volts. So times that by 2, this dual system can get you 22,000 watts of solar input. And this is great. They got the time slot, so you can set the charging and discharging times. This is actually great if you're trying to save money by charging the batteries at nighttime when power costs are lower, and you're discharging during the day when power costs more. So use your batteries when power costs more and buy the power at night when it costs less to fill those batteries. Really great way to save money right away when you get this system. And this supports split phase. You can get that 240 volt sewer sine wave output, keeping it safe for all of your equipment. Supporting those 2 solar inputs is really great too, with a maximum of 22 amp current per single circuit, 2 circuits per inverter. That's 4 total circuits in this 2 inverter kit. This is completely set up so you can have it Wi-Fi monitoring. It can be really secure. You can actually monitor this through Wi-Fi anywhere on the planet. And it's got the parallel function. You can actually get up to 6 of these in parallel, giving you a really diverse installation. You can even get 6 of these and get 3-phase parallel connection. So this system is really diverse, and it gives you 20 kilowatt hours when you're running 2 of these in parallel, and it can charge your 48 volt server rack batteries. Really great piece of equipment to have. And these are some of the newest inverters from SunGold Power. Feel free to use the links in the comments or the description. If you want to get over here, check this out, take advantage of the deal while it lasts. And you can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these deals and brand new technology.